Alright, so I did something interesting tonight. So this is my normal, like, I don't know, an Asian-y chicken soup with couscous. It's got green onions, salt, pepper, a little bit of ginger powder, and parsley, fresh parsley from my garden. So I had this bag of chicken nuggets that I bought, vegan chicken nuggets, which are actually pretty good. The bag says it can be recycled. We'll see if it can be sent in or not. I bought them because I had to buy some frozen stuff for holiday, and I thought, let me try these because if they can be recycled and they're good, then the kids in the neighborhood can get awareness about some things. And they are actually really good. They remind me of the flavor of Kentucky Fried Chicken, I think it is, that had like that spiciness to their chicken or something. I'm pretty sure that's what I remember. Anyway, so it's like I have over here. That's the nuggets. Don't overcook them. I'll show you the bag in case you want them. That's actually blueberry, wild blueberry that I'm eating it with, some of them. And I put them in the soup over here. It's actually really good. It's like a fried chicken soup. It like, what do you call it? It loosens up a little bit, you know, but it stays a little crispy and it gives it a nice flavor. So there you have it. You can cut up some chicken nuggets. These are vegan, of course, and use them in a chicken soup. So here's what it's called. And there. And then this thing here, it says how to recycle. So it might be one of those companies. I have another bag, I forget what it's called, Late July tortilla chips. And there's some kind of recycling center you ship the bags to. I haven't done it yet because you need like 2 pounds of bags. And then you print out a label and you ship it to them or something. So this might be the same. If not, I'll never buy it again then. Otherwise, if you can eat it, if it doesn't come in, there you go. If you can eat that, fine. If you can't, for your kids, then not. But they are good. It only takes like 5-6 minutes. You flip them in the oven. If you have an air fryer and stuff, I don't. I did them in the oven in like 5 minutes. I let them thaw a little bit while the oven was heating up, and they're really good. Just don't. I even put a little oil in the pan to help it, but just don't overcook them. They taste really good though, and they have real texture. You would never tell that it's not a chicken nugget. Like if I fed it to my nieces or something like that, they would never know. So it might be good for you. But anyway, for your kids. So if the bag's recyclable, that's even better. And of course, they're vegan and non-GMO, and get your kids started on that. But I wanted to show you the soup. Is that what I actually wanted to show you? It goes really good with the soup. You could probably even throw it in mac and cheese. I got like these hot dogs, vegan hot dogs that I have and stuff, and I do mac and cheese with them. I even have a roast beef type thing that I could probably do mac and cheese with that. But now I'm thinking these would probably go good with the kids. Cut these up like that and throw them in the mac and cheese. All right, lots of love to you. Bye.